Good morning, Dr. Verma's clinic. How can I help you today? Good morning. I would like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Verma. Certainly. May I have your name, please? Yes, my name is Meena Sharma. Thank you, Meena. What seems to be the issue? Is it a regular checkup or are you experiencing any symptoms? Hmm, I have been having some headaches and feeling a bit dizzy. I would like to have that checked. I see. Let me check the doctor's schedule. We have an opening tomorrow at 10:30 am. Would that work for you? Yes, that works for me. Great. I have booked your appointment with Dr. Verma for tomorrow at 10:30 am. Please arrive a little early to fill out any necessary forms. Thank you very much. I will be there on time. You are welcome, Meena. If you need to reschedule or have any questions before you visit, feel free to call us. Sure, I will. Thank you. Good morning. You must be Meena Sharma, here for your 10:30 am appointment with Dr. Verma. Yes, that's right. Good morning. Please have a seat in the waiting area. Dr. Verma will see you shortly. Thank you. Meena Sharma, Dr. Verma is ready to see you. Please follow me. Good morning, Meena. How are you feeling today? Good morning, Dr. Verma. I have been having headaches and feeling a bit dizzy lately, and it's starting to worry me. I understand. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms? It's been about a week now. The headaches come and go, but the dizziness happens more often, especially when I stand up quickly. Alright, I will ask you a few more questions and then we will do a quick examination. Are you getting enough sleep? Not really. I have been stressed with work, so I haven't been sleeping well. That could be contributing to your symptoms. Stress and lack of sleep can cause headaches and dizziness. How about your diet? Are you eating regularly? I have been skipping meals sometimes because of my busy schedule. It's important to eat regular, balanced meals. Skipping meals can lead to low blood sugar, which might also cause dizziness. Let me check your blood pressure and do a few other quick tests. Your blood pressure is slightly low, which might explain the dizziness. I recommend that you drink more water, make sure you are eating properly, and try to get more rest. Thank you, Dr. Verma. I will make sure to take better care of myself. I will also prescribe a mild painkiller for your headaches. If your symptoms don't improve in a few days or if they get worse, please come back to see me. I will. Thank you so much for your help. You are welcome, Meena. Take care of yourself and don't hesitate to call if you need anything. How did your appointment go, Meena? It went well. Dr. Verma gave me some good advice. I'm glad to hear that. Here's your prescription. You can get it filled at the pharmacy next door. Thank you. I'll do that. Have a great day, Meena, and take care. Thank you. You too. Scheduling and attending a doctor's appointment doesn't have to be stressful. Remember to communicate your symptoms clearly and follow the doctor's advice. Taking care of your health is the most important thing you can do.